Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Get Help background apps in Industrial PC laptop. So guys, if you want to turn off Get Help background apps in Industrial PC laptop, it's very easy. First click on Start, type here Setting, open Setting, click on Privacy, scroll down, click on Background apps. Here option Get Help, so select off position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn off Get Help background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.